Hi guys, so I am in the middle of filming the drugstore first impressions video right now, but I want to go ahead and film me doing my freckles so that I can upload it for you to reference back to, because the story that I did the other day, if you didn't see, won't upload to my highlights for some reason. So we're just gonna run through it again. Like I said in my stories, I use a brow pencil to draw my freckles on because sometimes my foundation covers them up more than I like them to be. I tend to try and leave them showing through, but sometimes it just happens. So yeah, I use drugstore brow pencils. I've used pretty much everything. The Anastasia works well. The Benefit works pretty well, but it is really pigmented, so it's hard to tap them out. My favorites are the CoverGirl Ultra Fine Brow Pencil and the Maybelline Brow Precise. This is the warmer brown shade. I accidentally picked it up, so this is what I've been using. Freckles tend to be fairly warm in undertone, so you want to buy a warmer pencil for this specifically. A cool brow pencil, a cool toned brow pencil works well as well. Okay, cool toned brow pencil works well also, but it looks a little less natural. So basically what I do, basically what you want is a brow pencil that's a little bit creamy but not too creamy. If it's too creamy, it's just going to slide off, and if it's not creamy enough, you're going to have to like really twist. If it's like a waxy pencil, it's going to look unnatural because you're going to have to like push down really hard. So this Maybelline one is my favorite, and basically I luckily have a roadmap of freckles because I have freckles. So I basically apply them in a C around my eye, and then I do a line from my brow up to my hairline because I have them there naturally, and I feel like that makes it look really realistic. So basically what I do is just fill in where I already have them, using a really light hand and kind of twisting the pencil around. And as your skin warms the brow pencil up, they'll start getting more pigmented. So just keep an eye on that. You also, when you first start doing this, you want to be kind of conscious of where you're placing the freckles. Your brain wants to make a pattern, so sometimes I find myself like drawing a circle with freckles. And obviously they don't occur like that naturally, so you want to be careful that you're not applying them too mechanically. Like it wants to be, you want it to be like really random. I tend to only apply a few to the bridge of my nose, mostly because my glosses will rub them off anyway, but also because I think ones that get put there look pretty fake, so I just stay away from that area. They can smudge off really easily and stuff like that. So since I have this side mostly finished, basically after that I just tap them into my makeup to cover them up a little bit, because if you were applying makeup over real freckles, obviously they would have some makeup on top. And then I just go and add some more, so there's a couple of darker ones. And I also tend to get freckles on my eyelids, so I add a couple back in there. Basically I just put them wherever I already have freckles because I feel like, well, that is the most natural place to put them. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Easy peasy. You can go as light or as dark as you want. You can go really ham and have like a ton of freckles. I do that sometimes. Or keep it a little more natural like this. I think it tends to make your makeup look less heavy when you have freckles on top, unless you're wearing like a super full coverage foundation, then it just looks kind of artificial. But in general, it makes your skin look more youthful. It gives you kind of like a glowing summer look. So I really like adding them back in, and I hope this is helpful to you guys who wanted me to show you how I do it. And yeah, that's it for me today. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.